Wow, it's been a while. Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. It has been such a long time that we made a video on the 240. If you guys didn't know, I was letting my friend borrow my car. I hardly use the 240. It's just been sitting here, so I was like, you know what? It needs to see the light of day. I did drive it in one of my vlogs if you guys watch that, and I love driving it. Honestly, it just sucks because it's starting to get hot and there's no AC in this car. Today we're actually going to be doing a much needed upgrade. The speakers on this car are terrible. When I drove it, I was like, wow, this is really bad. You basically have to listen to it on low, and then since there's no AC, you got to drive with the windows down, and then you can't hear anything. So it's pretty terrible. I'm not sure if the previous owners have replaced these speakers ever, but we're gonna open them up and see if they look like they're OEM or what. But if they haven't, then that means these are 35-year-old speakers. So that gives us an excuse to do another little install. So I am gonna be installing speakers today. And a friend actually gave these to me, so we'll see how they are. They are just universal speakers, but honestly, anything's better than the speakers right now. I want to show you guys what it sounds like. Hopefully the camera picks it up, but actually we'll do that right now. Actually, the stereo is literally the same brand, Kenwood. How dusty it is. It's been sitting for a while, so ready for my favorite part. I will never get over the automatic seatbelts. I freaking love them. Eventually, I want to get like a new little system here. I don't know, like Apple CarPlay or something. Just something a little more updated because this setup is not ideal. Something with Bluetooth at least. I'm not sure if the cigarette lighter works. Wouldn't even be able to get like those FM transmitters. I used to have that in my old car. I don't know if you guys listen to Billie Eilish, but her new album, so good. The more I listen to it, the more I'm like, wow, this is so freaking good. Moral of the story, they sound really bad, especially when you're driving. There's just like more noise happening and it just does not sound good. Are for the front right here. The front speakers are 4x6, so this is not a 4x6 speaker. This is like a universal. Isn't even the right size for it, but I think it could work. We're gonna try and make it work. If it's a fail, it's a fail. I can always just get new front speakers. Speakers are 6-inch, so I believe this one should fit. I should take this off. So I am gonna start with the front speakers. We're gonna take off these door cards. There is gonna be a screw in here. You'll probably have a little tab that you just lift up. I don't have mine, so I'm just gonna unscrew that. We're gonna take off this door handle trim. You can use a little pry tool. I literally don't know where mine is at, so I'm gonna use a flathead, but just be careful with your trimmings. I'm probably gonna end up replacing mine, so I don't care too much about it. And then there's gonna be another little tab here with a screw. So we're just gonna get those 3 out, and then it should be able to come off. There are some wires in here that you're gonna have to disconnect. Now we should be able to pull this off. That wasn't too bad actually. Oh, interesting. Interesting concoction they had here. These are not OEM speakers. I think they did the same thing. These do not look like 4x6, so they might have done the same thing, just gotten the 6-inch how I have right now and try to make it work with duct tape. This is literally the most 240 typical shit I've ever seen. Like, it's literally coming apart. Gonna like take this off. This literally was barely hanging on. Oh my god. There's some deadly screws on this thing. Ow, why is this shit so sharp? God. There's like glass in here. What the heck? car probably got broken into. Yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna do the speaker, but in the meantime, I'm gonna vacuum up the glass that's in there just so I don't keep it in the car, because that's not fun either. I feel like I'm gonna have to reuse this, but I don't know how because it's broken already. I'm trying to take off the speaker. Okay. Maybe I could glue it back? I don't know. Okay guys, it's actually a while later. A good while later. I never finished the speakers. Didn't even attempt it anymore. Got stuck when I saw that little bracket and how it was just broken. I've been debating if I should just buy the correct speakers, buy an OEM replacement bracket for that section. I did want to just work with what I had already. That just seems like the right answer. I couldn't think of what to do. I had thought about maybe gluing it. This is pretty done with. As you can see, like this is just a chunk of it. I don't know. So if you guys have any ideas on what I could do, let me know. I'm just making this into a little vlog, so I am still gonna add this part to see maybe I could get some ideas from you guys, what I could do or what you think I should do. I'm not in a rush to finish it, so I want to get a little vlog for you guys, so I am just gonna be continuing that. And unfortunately not having new speakers, but it's fine. Definitely let me know your guys' suggestions, and eventually I will finish out this video, so you'll see a full completed little tutorial if that's what you were looking for. I'm about to go on my walk right now. I will see you guys when the vlog continues. Whoever said FRSs weren't practical.
They're not.
We got lost with the legs. Just got inside. We're at the Nightcap Meet, downtown LA Auto Storage. Look at this, it's beautiful. I saw this one at Formula Drip. I didn't get a good look at it because it was so packed. This is the E30 truck. This is crazy though. We're gonna get some coffee because we're still early. So we need some energy. Yeah. We got our coffee. I got the vanilla bean.
I got the café de olla. Cheers. Cheers.
This one's good.
Is it?
Yours is so good. Shaking in my boots. We turned on the show mode.
Welcome to my garage. I own all these vehicles.
Surprise! If you won the lottery, you wouldn't tell anyone, but there'd be signs.
Signs.
This is her sign. Now I know. This is a color I'm debating doing the 240. This green, I think it's like the Millennium Jade Green. I don't know how to say that word. Don't roast me. This color is so nice.
I'll still take some.
I'm fucking sweating. It was making look. Now this color. We have made it to Danny's car. Anything for the shop. Anything for the shop. End of the night. Ending with Dave's is only right. It's only right.
The heater outside.
Look at this. This is like a Happy Meal.